Meaning of enlarge.
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 Enlarge. The word enlarge means to make something bigger in size or scale. The result of enlarging can vary depending on what is being enlarged. For example, if a photograph is enlarged, the pixels become more visible and the image may appear distorted or blurry. On the other hand, if a room is enlarged by knocking down a wall, it may feel more spacious and allow for more furniture or people to fit comfortably. In general, the outcome of enlarging is an increase in size, which can have both positive and negative effects depending on the context.